So today I want to talk to you about something that I see as a major failure point for a lot of entrepreneurs. It's been on my mind, and this video is not coming from a specific book. This is like a 2000 books original, as in this is a result of my thinking over the years, having coached hundreds of entrepreneurs now. My personal coaching clients, they generate over $8 million annually. And this is coming from me thinking about entrepreneurship, building our business, building 2000 books, coaching entrepreneurs, having read hundreds of business books. So make sure to take some action after you watch this video, because this is going to change your life. You see, one thing I have seen consistently again and again and again is that as an entrepreneur, the more kinds of things you do in your business, if you are doing marketing and you are doing sales and you're doing product creation and you're doing fulfillment and you're doing finances and you're doing operation, the slower your business growth will be. The more the different kinds of things you do, the slower your business growth will be. A lot of early stage entrepreneurs, I see this all the time. They get stuck thinking that I can do it all. I can figure it all out. I don't want to pay others. It will be expensive to hire others. And probably this is the biggest problem is they just don't want to pay others to do what they don't like to do. You know, you are doing a lot of things that you don't like to do in the business, but you think that somehow you just need to figure it all out. You just need to do it all. And you think it's expensive to hire others, so you just keep doing more and more and more and more and more. But the problem is, the more you do this, the more you operate your business this way, the more your business gets stuck. Here's the problem. When you do a lot of things, here's the reason why doing more literally keeps you stuck. You see, you are not great at everything. Can we agree to that you're not great at everything? That you are probably good at some things, but you are not good at a lot of other things. You're probably only great at a very few things, very small number of things. So when you do more things, when you are doing a lot of different things, you are not operating in your zone of genius, and you are producing suboptimal results in areas which you are not good at. So the business is producing suboptimal outcomes as a result. Your business stays stuck because it is not being nourished by high quality resources, by high quality work in all the different areas. And that is why your business gets stuck if you do more. The more you do, the slower your business grows. So your job as an entrepreneur is to constantly figure out ways to do fewer and fewer things. The stuff that you are best at, the stuff that you enjoy doing the most, the stuff that you're passionate about. Focus your energy in those lanes, operate in your zone of genius, and constantly prune your list of to-dos. Don't add more things, prune them, and hire others to do everything else. In the book Entrepreneur Roller Coaster, there is a really interesting story where Darren Hardy gets the advice from a billionaire, and the billionaire said, you need to be a quitter. As quickly as possible, quit from the roles you're not good at, quit from the roles that are not producing enough value in the business, and keep quitting again and again and again. The faster you can quit those roles and hire other people in that place, the faster you can grow your business. You probably know this by now. I don't have to keep telling you that no great business has ever been built by one person alone. In fact, I often tell this to my mastermind members that the business that can afford to hire the largest number of smartest people will always win. So your job is not to try to be the solo guy who's going to build everything. As an entrepreneur, the more you want to go alone, the more you will get stuck. So your mantra needs to be results, not effort. That is the name of your game. Results, not effort. Now, if you found yourself in this predicament, if you see yourself in the situation where you're doing a lot of things, you're doing more and more and more, and the business is growing slower and your income is not reflecting all the hard work you're doing, well, you need help. And if you want to scale your business rapidly, you should come apply for my business coaching program. Now, I have personally coached clients, and my personal coaching clients right now generate over $8 million annually. And now I want to help you scale your business. If you want to do that, go to 2000books.com/grow. Especially if you're a coach, consultant, expert, thought leader, if you want to scale your online business, if you want to go from $5,000 months to $50,000 months, you should apply for my group coaching program, 2000books.com/grow. And here's the thing. you must be hitting $5,000 per month in order to apply.